In this video, let us understand how to change font size color in Notepad++. So we can use a Notepad++ as a Python editor, but by default you can see that these were the font size, color and all these things. But we can change this in the settings. Let's understand how to do this. So in order to make changes, go to settings and here is a style configurator. You need to choose the style configurator and here is the theme default. So before that let me select the language Python and then so here by default themes are provided. So check like this will look like this, and this is the dark blue, and this is the vibrant ink, this is twilight, this is solarized. So there are many are provided. Okay, so let's go to Vim dark blue. So let me choose this. Again you can choose the language Python and here is the default. So already I changed the font name. So here is UI. So you can change any font you are interested in. Okay, let it be there. Okay, and here is the font size. So let's fix to 16. This is the default level. So later for comment line you want to change the different font, you can use the different font. And here is the comment color. Okay, so this is in purple. So next one is a number in white. Then string, it's in this color. Okay, what are the strings we use? That is in the this particular color. Character in the same color. Keywords, so you can see that int, input, sum. So that are the keywords, they are in the yellow color. Triple and triple double class name. So class names are in blue color. Operator, so operators are in magenta color. Then identifiers, so here is identifier val1, val2. So they are in light blue colors. Comment block, so you can use the comment block, then that is also in the purple color. So any changes we can always do so. For example, if say operator, so I want change the operator color to some green. So you can see that it's changed to green color here. Then identifier, some blue to red. So light red will take. So you can see that I can more colors. So now they are in the red color. Okay, so let's take light color. Fine. So these are the one. Otherwise you shift to the blue color. So it's good. Fine. So once it's over, then you can say save and close. So next time when you type the project, so that will in the different colors and different font size. That's how you can do the settings in Notepad++.